Today, I'm going to get the Pfizer vaccine. I am extremely happy that we've come this far, and now we have a vaccine that is 90% effective and safe. I'm doing it for my family, I'm doing it for my friends, but particularly I'm doing it for my patients. The vaccine is the only resource that we have to come out of the pandemic. It is important that the community understand that we have to continue using masks and social distance until at least the 70% of the population is vaccinated. This is not political. The vaccine, there was no shortcuts. To get where we are now, it has gone through the whole process. And that's why I'm very confident that the vaccine is going to be effective and safe.